wave knocked them both into the water. And OpenAI is training AI to be a better communicator. The company behind ChatGPT is testing a grading system that challenges the accuracy of responses. Traffic and weather together. Here's Roy Lemon.
In reports of a hit-and-run crash on the Cap City Freeway going southbound right before Exposition Boulevard. One of the cars is blocking the left lane. That's causing a little bit of a backup, actually starting just after El Camino Avenue. Once you get past that, looks good down towards 50. Speaking of 50, on northbound 99, looks like we have some slow-and-go traffic on the connect ramp to eastbound 50. And then once you're on 50, it looks good all the way out towards Rancho Cordova. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes. Mornings and afternoons, Roy Lamilla, KPK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
And sunny today, highs around 100. Overnight temps around 69 degrees. And we'll see highs of 105 tomorrow, but over the weekend, it's currently 78 degrees in Sacramento. Matt Pacini, KPK News Radio.
Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news the second it happens on KFBK News Radio, Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station.
Our iHeartRadio Music Festival, presented by Capital One.
Back to Las Vegas, September 20th and 21st, streaming live only under
A weekend full of superstar performances.
Tickets are on sale now at AXS.com.
Your summer persona is calling. It's time for sun-soaked party scenes at MGM Grand. New luxury command at the Bellagio. And Sandy Beach Swimming in Mandalay Bay. Show off your poolside only with MGM Rewards. Visit MGMRewards.com for details.
Are you retired or near retirement and worried about your money? Learn the truth about your investments so you can make the best decisions and worry less. Don't miss the Peak Financial Freedom Show with Jim and Dan, Saturdays 11 to 1 or 3 p.m. and Sundays at 12 noon and 4 p.m. here on KFBK.
I'm Chris Walt. I'm a truck driver from Missouri. For 13 hours a night, I sit in my truck and I drive. Out of boredom, I'll stop and eat. If I'm not doing fast food, I guarantee there's a bag of chips open on my dashboard. Along with that, I'm good for about 4 liters of soda a night. That was all until Andro 400. I started out 4 months ago weighing 341 pounds, and since taking Andro 400, I have dropped 45 pounds. I'm sleeping better. There's no craving. My knee pain went away. I've had some lower back issues, and I've noticed that went away, and I can only contribute that to Andro 400. One thing that Andro 400 said on the radio ad, does it attack belly fat? Well, let me tell you, it did. I've lost 6 inches. This product really does work.
So guys, if you'd like to experience similar results, then get Andro 400, the safe, natural, and inexpensive way to boost your testosterone. Go to andro400.com or call 888-400-0435, 888-400-0435. When you're at home, you can always listen to KFBK. Just ask your smart speaker, Alexa, play KFBK on iHeartRadio.
Number 2, Thursday edition, Clay Travis, Buck Sexton Show. We are rolling through the program here as we prepare for Donald Trump's official speech tonight. Hulk Hogan is going to be there. I imagine there will be some other festivities. Dana White, for those of you out there that are combat sports fans. We bring in now RNC Chairman Michael Watley. And just off the top, before we even start with the questions, you guys have organized this in a flawless manner. I mean, everything has gone, it seems to me, to plan. The city of Milwaukee, everybody has been fantastic setting it up. So great job by you guys, which I know is no small measure to get this thing organized.
No, huge project, huge team. You know, we've been on the ground for 18 months. We've been fully built out from our perspective for over a year. Milwaukee has been great. And the arena is fantastic. The mechanics of this convention has been awesome. But you cannot undervalue how great these speakers have been, how great the messaging has been, and what we're trying to do to convey to everybody across the country is we are talking to every American family, and we're hearing from real American voices. Okay, so Saturday, almost the worst day in 50 years in America, Trump by an inch avoids assassination. I'm sure you were watching like we were, like everybody all over the nation listening to us right now was. Would there have been a Republican National Convention at all if by the grace of God this week, if Trump had not happened to turn his head an inch? What would have happened if that all
awful event had actually come to the fruition as the shooter hoped.
I don't think there's any way that we would have gone forward. I don't think there's any way that we could have gone forward. And when we talk about what happened on Saturday, there's really a couple things that come to mind. First off, this is a miracle. This is an absolute miracle. You know, some people have said, oh, it was luck. It's not luck. This is a miracle that he is still alive. And I think that the second thing is you need to stop and you need to step back and reflect on this campaign and this election cycle in light of what just happened. You know, and it's not just the fact that the president was shot. There were 3 other people that were shot. One of them lost their lives.
Yes.
And because they were at a political rally, you know, that really, I don't think that there's been enough time and effort thought about, oh my God, where are we at in our politics across America? You know, and I think that, you know, as President Trump was going from the event to the hospital, while he was at the hospital, his concern was for the other people. His concern was for the other people who got shot. His concern was for everybody else who was at the arena. He was not concerned for himself. And then when we talked, it was, I'll be there. Make sure everybody's ready. Make sure everything is good to go. But I'm coming. And not only am I coming, he was supposed to be here till today.
Yeah.
He said, I'll be there tomorrow. You know, and I think that sends a signal. You know, when he stood up, and the Secret Service was trying to duck him down and move him out there, and he put his fist up and let America know I'm okay, that's a signal. And when we got word Saturday night, he's coming, I think that's a signal. You know, when you step back and reflect on this election cycle, because he cares about America and he's going to fight for America every day.
Certainly the mission now for Trump or the RNC is to have the best outcome possible. We get calls every day and have for years about what's being done to make sure that there are no nonsense, no BS, none of that. What is being done to make sure that election integrity will be something that every honest Republican after this election can look at and say, all right, at least we know that only valid legal votes were counted and they were counted properly.
Yeah, so right when I took over as the chair, and Laura Trump, who is our great co-chair, took over, had breakfast with the president, and we were talking. He said, all right, Michael, what's the plan? How are we going to win? I said, sir, we are going to do 2 things, right? The RNC tends to do a lot of things. We're not. We're going to eliminate everything else. We're going to focus on 2 critical missions. We're going to get out the vote, and we're going to protect the ballot. I mean, we have been at the RNC a get out the vote machine for decades. We're really, really good at contacting voters, phone calls, door knocks.
Where's my dash cam? Come on. Right there. And